Welcome, my name is Jim Tice, and I want to give you a quick tour of the new ResourceMate family of products. There is a significant improvement in speed, performance, and reliability, especially when more than one person is accessing your database. You will immediately notice the dashboard when you start ResourceMate. This gives you important, at-a-glance information. You will also notice that the menus and toolbars in this upgrade are very similar to what you were used to in 3.0. You will not need to completely relearn new software in order to take advantage of all of the new features in ResourceMate. You don't have to wait until existing support has expired before upgrading. Let's take a look at some of the features in the grids. Most familiar to us is the Items grid. ResourceMate now has more options to allow you to easily find your items. There is now an auto-filter row available. You simply type in the starting values for any column and all matches are immediately selected. See how quick we can search this database of 52,000 items located on this peer-to-peer network. The new auto-filter row makes it very easy to search any field in the grid. Another new feature is the Find panel. This feature is useful as it provides searching across all fields including subjects. Simply type in your criteria and it will display all items and show where the search text is located. You can customize the grid to your preference based on information you wish to see. You can change column order using drag and drop. Sort by a column by clicking on it. Click again to sort in descending order. Add new columns by right-clicking on a column, then choosing Column Chooser. Drag and drop the new columns you want to see. You can now save this layout so you can use it at another time. You can quickly select other layouts that are useful to you in particular situations. Listing reports give you access to reports without ever leaving the grid. ResourceMate comes with some listing reports, but it is very easy to create your own or modify these. Only the items that are displayed in the grid are included in the listing report. No need to go to the reports gallery to get this. Yes, it is that simple. Did you ever want to add some more information to a report in 3.0? Report listings now make this process as simple as drag and drop. If you decided to add Amazon book covers to the Multimedia tab of your Plus version, you will remember it was a multi-step process. Now with our Always Get Amazon Image preference, regardless of which libraries you search or choose to import from, you can also retrieve and store the Amazon image in your Plus, Extended, or Premium version. ResourceMate now supports Unicode, which means that you can easily catalog or import in multiple languages if you wish. Chinese can be intermixed with Hebrew, Arabic, or Russian. Grid listings are available on the Patron and Circulation grids as well. See how easy it is to generate a quick class listing. First, I select a specific grade, then generate the listing report. If you want to get a quick listing of all items checked out to a particular class, you can, in the same way we just generated a class listing. Checkout, check-in, reserves, fines, circulation history, and full patron information are now integrated into one patron activity screen. Previously, in 3.0, there was a separate checkout and check-in screen. You can customize this if you would like. Reserves now have a status and can generate an email to the person who is waiting for an item to be returned. Mail-out reminders can now be generated for a specific starting and ending date range. Did you ever want to change the contents of your mail-out reminder in 3.0 or the HTML in the email? Those changes are now as easy as drag and drop. When printing labels or cards, you can select based on the print switches, as you did previously, but now you can also generate based on a specific search criteria, such as date added. You can print your own barcodes in the Plus, Extended, and Premium versions. When creating your web OPAC file, you no longer need to use an external process to transfer the new file to your website. ResourceMate can now be configured to transfer your new file up to your website automatically. We hope you've seen a glimpse of what awaits you in your ResourceMate upgrade. There is more information on our website. We're always available to answer your questions. Thank you for your support of ResourceMate.